I'm not sure they are an all-Ireland party. I think they're two different parties. Of course, Sinn Féin are two different political parties depending on which side of the border you are. In the south, they're an anti-austerity left-wing political party. In the north, they're implementing austerity cuts whilst blaming somebody else for them. In the north, they give away power over our most vulnerable people's benefits to a British Tory party in London. So I'm not sure they are an all-Ireland party. I think they're two different parties right across the island. Look, we have very strong relationships with all the parties in the south. It's important that we keep those relationships with all the parties in the south. That allows us to work with them when they're in government, and that's a policy that we've always had. It's a policy that will be maintained.
So I suppose you don't want to limit your options by just tying up with Fianna Fáil?
Well, we have very close relationships with Fianna Fáil, with Fine Gael and with the Irish Labour Party, and it's important for us to maintain that. I suppose we don't know who's going to be in government, and we want to ensure that people in the north influence is heard right at the heart of government. And the idea that we would kind of fight elections against any of those parties would limit our options for influence in the Irish government.